birds on trees, how they leave to get a drink or a bite to eat, fly away, and others follow, and the whole day goes by. Birds and more birds. We become birds when we die. We fly away, but we come back. We become birds when we die. When we're put here, it's for a reason. Think of all the people the Lord hasn't sent here. I'm so happy I've been given this time here. Don't want to waste my time on this earth. And the whole day goes by. Birds and more birds. We become birds when we die. We fly away, but we come back. We become birds when we die. He won't hand you a piece of paper with a map on it. He'll whisper something, and at first you might not hear. It may take time, you'll make mistakes, but if you listen, he will lead you in your direction, and the whole day goes by. Birds and more birds. We become birds when we die. We fly away, but we come back. We become birds when we die. I know, because sometimes I just want to lift off, go right to the mesa, have a feast, eat our bread, stand in a circle, hear my grandmother talk about our people. I want to lift off, go right to the mesa, have a feast, eat our bread, stand in a circle, hear my grandmother talk about our people. We become birds when we die. We become birds when we die. We become birds when we die.